The next stage in organising our session is to create instrument buses. So this allows you to take a group of tracks and control them as one. And having everything under one fader will speed up mixing as well. So what we're going to do just now is take these drum kit tracks and create a drum kit bus. So there's a couple of different ways to do this in Reaper, but the one that's sort of the most straightforward and the quickest is to simply create a new track and label it drum kit bus. And then position that just above our 3 drum kit tracks. Now because this is part of our drum kit set, we're going to set it to the same colour as the other tracks. And then we're going to select all of the tracks that have audio on them and we're going to drag them into this drum kit bus track. So they've now been indented and you'll see that we've got an outline of all the audio from these 3 tracks showing on the drum kit bus. So now, if I've got all my other tracks muted just now so that we're not hearing the full piece. If I start playing, you'll hear the full thing. And I can then control everything for all 3 of these tracks from this one drum kit bus. And I could also control things individually within that to get a good balance within here, but we'll come on to that later on in this process. And then the final overall sound of the drum kit will be controlled from here.